And some rocker boxes buried over here someplace that we're supposed to build up. Really crap anymore. We're missing some parts.
Yeah.
This would be the
front
carburetor support. Now, we don't know if these even fit on there yet.
I was going by the F. But...
Was there an F on there?
Yeah.
No, I didn't see the F.
You're being all technical.
Well, you see, this does not have a carburetor support. It has an
right.
oil line.
Yeah.
There's two oil lines, one here, one here. Where's the F?
There's no F on that one.
Yeah, something there. It's not an R though. Surprisingly, the studs aren't too bad. It goes out pretty easy.
Yeah.
Not bad. Those don't look too bad. So I got to clean those up. I have an ultrasonic cleaner test we're going to do tomorrow. I'm thinking we're going to maybe throw these in there and test it.
All right.
Make them look a lot cleaner than what these are. And I didn't bring any rock arm and shaft down from storage, but kind of need some. Now I used to have a set of 83 shafts floating around, which are 1.5 to 1 ratio.
Okay.
They changed the ratio the last couple of years.
Of course.
Yeah, they used to be sitting next to the home over here. I wonder if they're still sitting here. That was like 30 years ago.
Probably not there anymore.
You'd be surprised. They're still here.
Are you kidding me? Well, look at you.
Well, they came out of an 83 4 bike, so they're supposed to be 1.5 to 1. I don't know how you check them because there's no different part number, but there's a different ratio.
All right.
But I don't know why I put them on this junk ass motor. Cause it ain't worth nothing. But yeah, why would I ever take them away? There's no reason to move them.
Good.
Sit right there.
Good point.
I'm saving them for a set of real heads.
What was I thinking?
Some junkyard motor's not worth a crap. But if you remember, we had a set over here that had all the parts in it, so I think I'm going to use these ones. I think we might have to regrind those because look at the crappy finish on those.
Yeah.
And anyway, just take the parts off these boxes here because these ones look a lot better. And this is way too good quality for this motor.
Right.
But we can take the parts off. And I can take those 1.5 and put them in here. See, that's how you do it.
There you
go. All right. So, easy job is still not easy yet. We still have a fitment issue. Where's that oil line at? Is the oil line out already?
It's in that box.
There it is. Let's see what length we... Oh, this is missing all the parts off of it. Bastards. I'm thinking we got to get one of those longer lines from upstairs.
Yeah. That one doesn't look long enough.
It looks way short. And all the fittings are missing.
Yeah.
Bastards. Why'd you take every fitting off?
I don't know.
So we got to come up with fittings. We had that one new pair that I brought, you know.
Oh, yeah. Were there fittings on the other one? Other set?
No, I'm not robbing that one. There should be another one in here. I have two black. I have two dirty fittings. There should be another one down in here somewhere. There it is. Have to clean it. So I got two brand new ones I'll put on the motor. I got two crappy ones I'm going to put on the motor too. Now, do you put the crappy ones where you can see them or where you don't see them?
Well, you're going to clean it up so it won't be so crappy.
Well, I can put the two new ones here and here where you see them, and these ones are buried up behind the carburetor. You don't really see them.
Yeah.
Put the two nasty ones up here. Paint them silver. Be fine. But I need to get the longer tube. This tube's way too short. Plus this is all bent and screwed up and pinched on.
Yeah.
Ground on. Were you gnawing on that?
I was.
Was there a rat laying around? I'm not sure.
I was hungry earlier.
Yeah, that's what I thought. And we have this nice new one here. New to you anyway. Same thing, right?
Looks a little short.
Yeah, well, that's how they come. Hopefully the new ones don't go in so deep and stick up higher. And then I'll make that long enough to fit.
Alright.
I almost get buy a new one and put a whole new set on there this rate. That'd be too much money. See, I'll just sonic clean this piece too. Rust off and it'll be natural like that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna lay that in there like that. Didn't want to go in there like that.
Doesn't.
Remember to take the baskets with me too. Those things. Keep forgetting. Twice I went down there, I forgot both times. Alright. We got some issues to deal with. We'll deal with them.
Alright.
What push rods we're going to use. Let's see, all the bowls look good. All the 8 balls down here look good. Push rods all look good. So I guess now it just comes down to the nuts. Which one's got the bad nuts or the bad push rods? That's a good push rod. That's a nice one. That one's pretty damn nice too. That's a little bit rounded. And that one looks pretty sharp. This one's rounded. This has a nice nut on it though. This nut here sucks. This one here is a little rounded too. This one has a nice nut on it, but it has a rounded push rod. So that's got to come off. This one looks like it has the worst nut, right?
Yeah.
These are long-winded.
Yeah, they are.
Long gas motors. Junk. These are actually the best push rods. This nut's rounded. That nut's rounded too. I like those two. These two here, not so well. I'm going to take these 2 nuts off here. Transfer them over to these ones. Where's our good push rod? Well, this has a bad nut. This has a good nut. You know, seeing that push rod looked pretty nice, but the nut looked like crap.
Yeah.
Okay, where's the other good one at? That's the other one. How loose that one is. So you don't buy new parts, you just buy new push rods.
Yeah.
Get enough sets of push rods, you get enough good nuts. That is not a good nut. These are all bad nuts that are left. Yeah. Got 3 bad nuts to choose from here. Definitely not that one.
The one on the right's probably the
I think
best.
it's the best one right here, yeah. Is that the one I just took out?
Probably.
Okay, here's our best set of push rods. Could use a new nut. It costs money. We got no money.
Yeah.
It's cheap around here. There's so there's the push rods we're going to use. You got what ignition mod you're using yet?
Yeah. The one that's not on its side there.
This one?
Yeah.
You like this one the best? I like brand new. Might be brand new. Probably is brand new. Supposed to be a new one floating around here somewhere.
Yeah.
That's good. That's new enough for this guy. It works. Not this one. This one's pretty nasty looking.
Yeah.
Let's see, this looks like it has rollers in it. These are roller bearing style.
Ooh.
It's actually a heavier, better unit, but obviously it's not too good because it already chewed itself to pieces already. I'm not sure how it did that because the bushings aren't that loose. There's actually roller bearings in these things. Where's the other one? Did I have another one out? These are the only two I had out.
Those are the only two that were left out.
So this one here I think is roller bearing. Spring fell off.
Look at that. It's got roller bearings.
Probably eats the shelves up just like everything else. So these live a little bit longer than the other ones because they're harder. They still eat up the shells, but obviously it needs new springs.
Yeah.
But why did it wad up everything? I don't understand why it wadded up everything. But.
I don't know.
So that might be a better unit. We're all done. Check it out and see.
Okay.
All right, I think we're good to go for now. I'll have to find some to deal with the spark plug problem. The spark plug is our biggest problem right now. That's the hardest thing to fix. Everything, the taps, I just tapped the bolts. That's nothing special in the bolts. But the spark plug is going to be the fun part. But we'll deal with it.
All right.
All right, that's it for now.